girls, one thing that I've noticed is that these hairstyles are way easier to do on hair that hasn't been washed in 1 or 2 days. So that's why the first thing that I'm gonna do is apply some dry shampoo to my hair. Right now I'm using the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Tapioca Warm Sugar Long Name. It smells really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. Okay, so I usually straighten my hair, but the thing is that for these hairstyles, I actually need volume in the front part of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate these portions and just keep them aside and straighten the rest of my hair. That way I can keep this part just with all that volume that it already has. Alright, after that I can go ahead and take out these clips. Okay, so now I'm just gonna comb my hair with my fingers, and I'm gonna part my hair from here down to here. And with this portion, I'm just gonna start rolling it to the back. And I'm gonna use some bobby pins to secure it. Just very roughly, because after that I'm gonna actually come and join this piece of hair with this one, and I'm gonna use a tiny elastic band. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same for this side. Now, when we're here, you just want to grab the other piece and just take away the bobby pins. You can pretty much just toss them because you don't want to lose the other twist that you have. With one of these tiny elastic bands, you're gonna go ahead and tie them together in the middle. And if there are some hairs that are like sticking out from this part, you can use anything that's similar to this and just slide it underneath the twist and just pull the hair underneath the twist down. Alright, see? So if you like it tight like that, you can leave it like that. If not, you can also just loosen it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna actually go ahead and leave it like this. And after that, I will be using some flexible hold hairspray. Right now I'm using the brand Aussie. So hairstyle number 1 is all ready. Now for the second hairstyle, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a deep parting kind of like right here around the middle of my eyebrow. After that, I'm gonna make another parting from here till the bottom of my, what's it called? Ear? Okay, so these don't need to be perfect, so I'm just gonna grab the rest of my hair and pull it back. And now I'm gonna do a Dutch braid starting from here to here. Once I'm done, I'm gonna use one of these tiny and cute elastic bands to tie the end of this braid. If you like it really tight like this, you can leave it like this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it more voluminous and make it more fluffy. So I'm just gonna start pulling little pieces off of the braid so that it gives me that effect. Okay, next I'm gonna let the rest of my hair loose. I'm gonna part a little bit of hair right here. And I'm gonna put the braid in there and just use some bobby pins to keep it in place. For this hairstyle, what I like to do is just bring my hair behind my ears. I just think it looks super cute like that. And this is how it looks. Alright girls, I really hope you try these hairstyles at home. I have really been doing them a lot and loving them so much because they're so easygoing, they're so, you know, fast, and they look so cute. So I thought I need to share them with my Classy Files girls. So hopefully you try them and you love them. And here's something. So girls, one thing is that I really like to try new products, whether they're like more on the high-end kind of like Ulta kind of thing, or just a regular drugstore, Walmart kind of things. So I have an idea. I've been thinking, what if I start doing reviews about these products, just like short, really short videos about, you know, telling my experience with these products? I was thinking Mondays could be, you know, the perfect days for that. Let me know if you have any other ideas, or I don't know, something, some thoughts about it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you have a case for the Classy Files, tell me about it in the comments. Bye! Click on the right to watch another one of my videos, or click on the CF logo to subscribe. Thank you for getting back to Classy with me. Bye!